All right. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Market Pulse. This is the follow-up to this morning's show, the Morning Brew. This is going to be quick and easy. We're just going to manage our trades that we got into this morning because we got into a few. So this is November 19th, 2021. Let's see if we can get this thing started. All right, let's get going. So we're going to share some screens here, get this thing over with. So right off the bat, what did we notice here? What did we notice? So we're looking at the, so again, just going to give you the rituals, what we do here. So why is that NDQ? Okay, that's weird. NDQ, we don't want NDQ, we want NDX. That was weird. Okay, cool, no worries. All right, looking at the XPX, we said that this could be a relief rally. Remember, OPEX got things messed up, like all over the place, OPEX week, and also option month expiration. So we're gonna have a lot of volatility going into it. We were at 18, and as expected, I expected a blow off, and we did. It looks like it might go higher into the weekend, guys. That's a very, very bullish matter. So that means it's gonna be, very positive going. Maybe could this be the start of the Christmas rally? We got it here first. We got it here. We called it if it goes. Remember that. All right. NDX exploding. Fangs are going. They're gone. So again, this could be the exhaustion. We're beginning of this little rally. This can go. This is the time that you want to get in. Remember, most people, when this thing goes, they're going to get in at the top. And those are FOMOs while we get out. Booyah. Remember, we always stay green and we're going to go. But again, I'm looking at this 47.20. We have a lot of plays already in for next week. We already locked in some gains, and we're going to go through that. All right, Russell working his way lower. Let it go down. It's breaking that 23.50. Let's see if that can hold. It wants to go lower. That's fine. All right, let's dive in. VIX, again, I told you this morning, pre-market was going up, and the MACDs are breaking down, is going down. So this is why we're going higher. Again, we got the Treasury notes going down. So again, fear is dissipating. Let's see if it can go down back to the $17, $16 area. All right, let's look at that. All right, now let's dive in. XPX, I told you there was no trade. There was a little trade there, but not really like we like it. So again, it's a skip, guys. It's real quick. We're not trying to make something out of nothing, right? There's nothing really there. We told you it's going to be a little volatile session, but as long as it remains high, that's fine. And we're just going to look at it. If we can take out this 47.14, 47.20, but not really a trade there. XPX had a second wind here on the 15 minutes. There was a little rally there. That was this morning, and it's taking off. So again, we gapped up higher. It looks like it might be coming to the end. Let's see if it can hold that 16.496 or 16.5. Okay, we got that. It could have another rally. Let's see. Russell working its way lower. There is a divergence here. So let's see if Russell can start cooperating and cooperating and reversing. But there's no trade here. We hit the 50 about yesterday on the open. And then we're just trying to hold that 23.50. Okay, Alphabet. We got into this trade. I try to go. It is holding that 3,000. Okay, is Alphabet going to go? There is a possibility. There is a setup here, maybe at the close. Maybe a setting up. There is a contract for Alphabet with the Pentagon. It looks like they might get it, or Alphabet. There's something going on. But if it breaks that 30.12, can bounce here, and take out the highs, it can really start going. So watch that. Maybe add a week. It might be a lotto play, but it's gotta do a lot of things here now. So ideally, we have to look at the after lunch, and then we're gonna look at power hour, see if it can go. All right. Amazon worked really, really strong this morning. This is a trade that we got into this morning, and it rallied. It's going to all-time highs, holding at 37.47. I do have something up here on Amazon. If it can take out its highs of 37, oh man, let me see if I can get in there. 30, I think it's what, 37? If it can take out 37.62, it's going to run, and it could run at the It can run at the power hour. Let's see what happens. If they take it up on the weekend, that is huge, guys. That is huge. but there's a lot of buyers coming in. Great trade, guys. Great trade. Remember, we lock into these trades. We lock in with profits. Remember, we got in yesterday, locked those in, got in again with profits, lock it in, and that's how we'll work in this position. Okay, guys? So again, no matter what happens in Amazon, we're profitable. Tesla's interesting. Got a huge upgrade this morning at 1400. Can it take out this previous day's highs of 11, 11, 11, 11, 12? See where it stopped today. Okay, here's a trick on that on Tesla. Tesla, if it's solid, the buyers like to come in the last half hour of Friday. So if they're going to take it up, they're going to take it up. Now, I can tell you where the bears are at. The bears are at that 11.19. If it gets up there, it is going to trap those bears. Those bears are going to cover. Okay. All right. ISRG, they're taking it lower. They're selling this one off. So 360, 346, that's a $20 ripper, 20 point down, right? So it went up. Here's a FOMO buyers. Again, ISRG, I think, moves better to the downside than it is up to the upside. So anyway, that was it. They could not regain the 50-day moving average. All right. This is why we use this system. And that was an entry to the downside. All right. I didn't get into that one. I was doing other plays. Chipotle working its way lower. Can't break the 50. We don't want to touch until it breaks that 50. So we'll look at the 1781 maybe next week, maybe the week after. We'll see. It just keeps going lower. There is a little bit of divergence here, but I'm looking for a basing pattern. LRCX, gone. You guys got an entry here. This is a beautiful entry. This is exactly how we like to play here. Bounced off the 50, broke out this hedges of 638. We got a fresh set of MACDs right there. That means that the beginning momentum is just started to run. If you do this on a high volatile stock, you're going to make some money. Why? Because it's in the middle of the run. It looks like it wants to go. Again, I told you, AMAC came out with bad earnings. The CEO's not really that bright. He got it lower, and I know why he did. He's very conservative, but money came out of AMAC and went into LRCX. That's the play. All right, Shopify working higher. We called this morning. We said, hey, we saw money coming in. I saw money coming in at the close yesterday. Wasn't really a viable entrance, but this thing could run. Let's see if we get a second win up here. It looks like it has a day with 1800. If it can take out the highs of, if it can take out 1763, it could run. Otherwise, it's going to pull back and maybe set up for another entry, but we're pretty far away from the 50, 1700. It looks like it could be weakening. There could be a second win up there, but watch it. All right, Netflix, again, let me get that out the way. I don't want that one. Let's remove that. Netflix, try to go this morning, try to go. But again, it was all pre-market. MACD's told you no go, coming back down. Just let it settle. There's no trade there. Roku, is it really basing or is it going to go lower? Is it stopping on its way to go down? I still don't like Roku. Don't get caught up in the market action. Let it base. I wouldn't touch this to 245 gets taken out. But if you're looking for a play to the downside, maybe right here, just watch it. If it starts breaking 234, it can start going lower. NVIDIA setting up nicely. Great earnings, great money's coming into NVIDIA, 328. It can really start going higher. Remember, this could be the next $1 trillion company. All right, Mercado Libre, they're taking it lower. Just non-stop taking it lower. So again, can't break the 50. We don't touch it. All right. Apple, great entry this morning. Guys, I'm going to zoom in on this one. This is exactly how we like to play it. Bouncing off the 50. You had an entry at 945. Fresh set of MACDs, and you're gone. How do you play this? Once again, how do we play this? I'm going to tell you how we play this. You get in here. Got the MACDs in. Open, lock in your gains. You take those profits, you get in there. Next morning, lock in those gains, take your profits, lock in there. Do you get it? Take your profits, lock in there. That's a good way. And guess what? If it goes to shit, then guess what? You're always winning in that trade. But I like Apple. If you want to know my thesis on Apple for a great play, if you just want to hold it for a little bit for a quarter, I need to what? You need to watch the morning brew for today, 11:19, and go into the Apple area. And while you're down there, press that like button, press that subscribe button, and guess what? I'm going live. So you want to be notified when I go live because I give these trades. Basically, all I'm doing is sharing with you guys my setups, what I'm looking at, where the potential trades are for every day, because opportunities exist every day. And I'm giving these things live at 8:30 till 9 o'clock. And you can, if you want to come along, you can see for yourself and prepare for yourself so you can get ready for the market, especially between that 9:30 and 10:30 hour. Okay, I just got filled on something. Ah, okay, I didn't get filled on that. All right, made some money. I made some money. Good. All right. So we got Apple. Trade Dust. Didn't want to get filled on that, but we got filled. Okay. Trade Dust trying to go. You got an entry here. And yeah, looking good, looking good. If it can take out these highs at 110, it's probably going to go. And I'll probably get back into that trade. I'm profitable. That's good. All right. Goldman Sachs working his way higher. 389 can go higher. It's working up. We got this 394 on top. Affirm, don't like it. It's working its way lower. Don't touch it until it gets 140. Upstart, don't like it either. 228. Trade it to the downside. Remember, if you know the 50 to the downside, MACD, this is exactly how we like to trade it. There we have it. HubSpot, not acting right, just kind of consolidating. Might go lower, but not really anything there for us. We got Zoom, working its way lower. Booking, can't get above the 50. We weren't going to touch it till 2387. ServiceNow, don't like it. Actually, this is the page that I don't like. This is this order for Coinbase. Let it base. There's nothing really there. There's nothing really here on this page except for down trades. All right, we got the chips. We got Intuit, great earnings, pulling back. I'm going to watch it here for a trade setup, maybe add a week. Remember, next week's going to be a short week, but this could be a setup. Qualcomm, going higher. I told you it can probably go, if it takes out 188, it's going to go to 200, but they're going to hold it. They did not sell off. ASML working as well. Watch it here for a downswing, right? AMD holding strong, just steady. AMAT, they sold it off. Up to 50, don't like it. Let's see how it does at 160. All right, LCID, gave it this trade pre-market. We locked this in. Again, perfect textbook. Bouncing off the 50, bounce off a 0, and taking off, right? We lock in these gains already, and but just set up the next trade. All right, Rivian, this is the one I got filled on. So I got in this trade at the morning, 120, made some money, made some good money, locking those gains. I think it can go up to 141. I was kind of estimating where that option price was going to be. And I was hoping to get alerted before this happened, but I was doing this one for you guys and me. And I just put in the price because I just didn't want to miss the price. But hey, we're going green today. We're going green. So hoo-yah. All right. But that was a good trade that we took on Rivian. Roblex, not really, just working his way higher. Not really an ideal entry here. But all right. What else do we got? We got the VIX. I told you that's working its way lower. BTC working its way lower. I want to show you this. No, that's Ethereum. Okay, let's go to BTC. BTC, let's see what happens here. Again, if it can bounce off to 0, bounce up to 50, it can go lower, but I do not see a reversal pattern yet on BTC. So let it drop. It could drop. Mana, that's MicroStrategy. Let me get rid of that. MSTR. Okay, MicroStrategy working his way lower, follows Bitcoin. And Ethereum, let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum is holding that 50. Let's see if it can break through. It's still working lower. It's telling me weakness still exists here, but it's holding that 50-day. All right, guys, that's all we got. Do me a favor. Stay green, stay happy, stay optimistic. God bless. And go get it. Now, if you like what I'm offering you, here's the thing. You need to press that like button right now. I know a lot of you are watching me and you're not pressing that like this. That's totally fine. I get it. I do that to a lot of other shows. However, I always keep doing that. This is what I'm going to do. So I'm not getting a lot of views on this show. And like I said, I'm missing out some trades here. So you tell me, should I keep this show going on? I'm just going to do the morning brew and then I'll share with you my setups, or should we keep this thing going? And is this helping you guys follow through? You let me know. I'm going to give this another week. And if I don't get any responses for this activity, then I'm just going to eliminate this one, just do the morning brew. And then I'll just do this on TradingView. By the way, I'm in TradingView jail. Thanks to this person right here. Where is he at? This guy, Nico Muzil. Apparently, I'm not charging anything for these things, but he's saying that I don't know, I forget the word, commercial or something. I don't know. Good job, Nico. But I think I'm helping out individuals. If you want to learn how to trade and learn from someone who's actually doing the craft and actually not just talking, again, this is a great platform for you. And if you like it, press that like button. Just make me feel good. If not, then all right. But Nico, take care. Good luck. Nico has great stuff. I have a great thesis on where Bitcoin can go. You know, you should follow him, Nico Muselle, Muselle. Anyway, we're going to be on YouTube. He has no jurisdiction here. So that's all we got. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.